What's up, Adventure Buddies? In this week's video, we head over to our church where we help pack food for Journey of Faith with Feed My Starving Children. But first, cue the intro. Each year here at Journey of Faith, Feed My Starving Children comes to pack meals for children in need all over the world. So we decided to volunteer a few hours of our time to pack together some meals. Each bag that we made has 4 main ingredients: vitamins, vegetables, soy, rice. During the event, we all have just over 1 hour to build as many packs as we could to feed as many children as possible. Here's some facts about each of the meals that we packed. Did you know hunger is still causing nearly half of the death in children under 5 years old? From this data, we estimate at least 6,200 children die each day from causes related to undernutrition. It costs less than 25 cents for one meal. That's 1/4. It costs $88 to feed a child for 1 whole year. It costs $365 to feed a family for 1 year. Crazy, right? Feed My Starving Children has delivered food in over 103 countries since 2009 when he was born. During the little time that we spent in this hour volunteering, we helped pack enough food to feed 69 kids for an entire year. We are so thankful for this opportunity to be able to serve and give back to those in need.
And then Timothy was in the bad situation. Timothy couldn't eat anything, Timothy couldn't walk and couldn't talk.
There are 216 meals in each box, which means you guys packed 25,272 meals. That's awesome. This number is a bit smaller, but it's more important, so I want you to repeat after me. 69. 69. That's how many kids you were able to feed a meal a day for an entire year, just in these last 2 hours. So again, give yourselves a round of applause.
Big shout out to the Feed My Starving Children organization for all that they do and for all that they serve. For more information on this organization and how you can be a part of it, or how you can donate your time or money, please see the link down below in the description. Because here at the Adventure Buddies, we believe everyone deserves to have an adventure, and we want to help out as many as we can. If you've ever done Feed My Starving Children, comment down below what you like most about it. Also hit that like, subscribe, and bell for notifications. And remember guys, life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with?